In this video, I'm going to show you how to make automatic door in Minecraft. So first, you're going to need these items: redstone, sticky piston, stone. As for these three stones, you can choose whichever you want. I just chose stone, orange wool, and the slime stained. You can choose whichever. And you're going to need redstone torch and the pressure plate. So first you will start by making like a 4x4 here, like this and like this. So right now you want to break another block here, another block here, and you want to just start placing redstones like this, and you want to start placing like this, and then you want to put a torch over here. You want to place a block, then you want to put a torch over here and place a block like this, and it should look like this basically. Then after you do this, you want to make sure that you put a piston just like this and like this. So make sure you add the redstone here to activate it. So again, do the same, put a piston like this and like this, put a redstone to activate it. Now here you want to remove these blocks right here so you can make a good design. So I'm gonna use like this wool. You can choose whichever you want. So I'm just gonna cover everything here. I can just remove this as well so it can look much nicer. And I'm gonna break this one, and I'm gonna. So after you do this is what basically the final design will look like. So you're gonna need to here place these sticky pistons, and you're gonna need to put the door. So the door should be like this. So as you can see, like the door works fine. If you want, you can make it taller if you want, like just by adding this and this, but you're gonna have to like figure out a way to just increase this. So I think there's a way here. Let's see. I believe if you do it like this, I'm not sure, but this should work like good enough, and this should be good enough. Let me just put this back and put this back. Yeah, and that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.